Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is too dark in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. If you're using S23 FE and you're facing the issue that your phone screen is so dark, you are increasing your brightness or you have set your brightness at full, but your screen is still dim. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to settings here. Go to battery and here make sure that your power saving is not enabled. It might be on standard or on maximum, so you have to make sure it's turned off. Once I've turned off, I have to go back, go to display here. You can switch between light dark to light mode. If you're using dark mode, I recommend you to use light mode to get extra brightness here, or you can also continue with dark mode and increase your brightness level from here. But if you have increased your brightness but it's still too dim or too low, so you have to go back from here, go to accessibility, go to vision enhancement or visual enhancement in your phone, and you might get their extra dim option. You have to disable this. And once you have disabled, you can see that my phone's brightness has my increased. Now you can go back here and go to your display settings, and from here you can maximize your brightness as well, minimize. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. But if you're still facing the same issue, so go back to your settings, go to software update, try to update your software, or you can also try to make a force restart or make a simple restart to fix this issue. So in this way you can easily fix if your Galaxy S23 FE is too dark. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.